So wavy hair comes in. Now I'm going to show you the other way that some people try to do it. So the hair comes and it goes straight in. That's it, gone in. And just like your Ghana cornrow, if you were doing that, you just carry on. So you see how that hair has gone across. And then you carry on. You carry on. So it's now inserted in to be part of the braid. So at any point in time, you drop off the one that you actually want to drop off. So we want to drop this off. You naturally need a clip to hold it down if you need to, and then you carry on. I still have a strand in my hand on the other side, so I carry on braiding, and then I'm going to now drop that strand as well. And then I carry on with my braiding. Again, remember when you're working with natural hair, you want the braids to cover the extension. The braids to cover the natural hair. So you keep making sure the extension is more than the natural hair. So sometimes if the strands are put in starts to get smaller, I just take from the other side. And her hair is very close to the extension color wise, so you have to be very conscious. You also have textures that are very, see that her texture is a bit like the extension as well, so you have to remember which is which. See that? That's her hair. Then I push it in, and then you push it in. So her hair's finished. So now we're going to add the one that finishes the strand, the tip of the strand. So again, you put your hair in. At this stage, I definitely don't want this to show across, so I'm going to just take it in and then I braid. And then this now becomes part of the strand of hair for braiding, because we're only using it to finish the tips.